As services continue to grow, the number of directions at WDM sites has surged, leading to an exponential increase in fiber connections at each site. Traditional WDM systems rely on manual fiber patching, which is inefficient and highly complex. As a result, the OXC Optical Backplane emerged to address these challenges. Through a series of advanced manufacturing processes, including fiber weaving techniques for automated fiber placement, submicron fiber alignment, organic gel coating, and UV exposure and curing, 1,000 optical fibers are printed on an A4-sized optical backplane. The 1,000 fibers form an internal cross-connect matrix that enables interconnection between any two ports, eliminating the need for external manual fiber patching.